Good morning to the respected principal and all my dear friends. Today on 15 August we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our national. Today day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independent on 15 August 1947 for British rule our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmaન્ય Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for the independence of our nation. Many brave citizens like Bharat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru spent their life from the national freedom. After independence, we got our humility rights. Today, we have the rights to choose our government. We all are fortunate that we took birth in an independent India. But we can not take this independence for granted. We all must conform for the development of our country so that no country can imagine to rule on us again. Our freedom is princess and our brave soldiers to fight continuously on border to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country development and progress. Let's all begin today to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.